Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily edit drop-down list in Smartsheet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Smartsheet, and when you're going to be here, you just want to click here on status, or like where you have your drop-down list, right click on it, and then you're going to see edit column properties. And right here you can simply change the values here, right? Not started, in progress, on track, at risk. When I add at risk 1 here, I can clearly see that the drop down list is changed. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah. Goodbye.